Hello, welcome back. So in the last video tutorial, we did the this simple card item. This is just the home page, okay? And then we said when we click on this thing, okay, we want to add more tags to the application. So this page that you see and then this card that you see here also, the card stands for a tax, okay? And then the task description, okay, the title, the task description. So when you click on this task, it's open another page, and then the page will contain the title, the description, and then the to-do items inside that tax in that same page. Okay, so we are going to design the tax page. Okay, so I'll just go here inside the pages and create a new file called tax page, page dot dot. Okay, so we will design it here. But before we do that, I want to work on the card item that we did here. So the card item, I want to change this to a container. Okay, save it and let's see how it looks now. So now we don't see anything, but there's a container. So I'm going to add a decoration to it, and then I'll use a boss decoration because I want to get more control over the design. Okay, and then I'm going to add a colors dot white. Okay, then I think I should see something is there, but I can't see it well. Okay, so what I'm going to add is a box shadow. So you see, and then the box shadow, I'm going to add a box shadow here, and inside here, sorry, hold on, yeah. So inside here, I can add a blur radius, let's say 5.0, and then also add the color, say colors dot black. I want 36 or 38, right? Yep. And I don't know why, yeah, there's an error here. Okay, so I add a color. I also want to add the offset. Okay, so the offset actually stand for when you want to position the shadow either in the X and Y axis. Okay, so the X and Y axis, the S stands for the horizontal side, which goes this way, and then the Y stand for the vertical side. Okay, so if I give Y to be X to be 5.0, and then let's say Y to be 0. Okay, here is for Y, X, and then here is for Y. So see what happens. You see it shifts to the horizontal side, and then you can't see the shadow very well in the Y direction, but in the X direction, which is from left to right, you can see it there. Okay, so I just want it to be rather the opposite. Okay, not this way, so just this way, and then here to be 0. Okay, so now, yeah, this is how I want it to be. Now I also want to change the border radius here, but I think this thing is too black or too deep. I'll just make it 12, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is better. So now I want to add a border radius to it. Okay, so I can come here, border radius, and I can go ahead with border radius dot circular. I said I'm not going to focus on design, but I don't know. I can't just code when there's a lot of the design is not really nice. Okay, so other radius are circular. I want to add a, let's say that's 10. It's okay. So I think we can see some spaces, and what we did before, I think the space here was not good for me. Let me check when we did here. Okay, I want everything to be system, so I'll just close this and do it all, change it from, because now they will all have um the same, yeah, top and down, and then we have this. And I also want to add some space to the title and then the description, so I'll just use the size box. Okay, sorry for the noise at the background. um and then I will just go ahead with I think I will want the height, and I will just add, let's say 10 should be okay. Yeah, and then let's just reduce this title to, let's say 26. I think that will be okay. Yeah, so now we have this design. It's okay. So at least we are working on this, but we have the design. So now let's go to the tax page. Okay, let's import the sorry for the noise. Okay, guys. um yep. and then we have this. So I think I'll create a stateful widget for now. A stateful, oh sorry, a stateful widget. Yep. And then I'm going to call it the tax page. Okay. And then now let's come to the build method. So in the build method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to return a scaleful widget, as you already know. Scaleful widget, and inside the scaleful widget I'll have a body. I thought I would just do a child there. And then the body, I'm going to use a safe area. Okay. And then in the safe area, I'm also going to have a child of, let's say, column. And then in the column, I'm going to have some children. And then in the children, I'm going to have text fields. Okay. Okay. Text field. Let's say I'm going to have text field there. And then I'm also going to have let me just copy this. I'm just going to have three different widgets there as the column there. Okay, so let me save down. And then what I want to do is to go back to, let me wait. Okay, when I go to the home page now, when I click, I want this to take me to that particular page. So let's come here. Where is there? Okay, so this is the design, the container that we have. Okay, so I'll copy this code here for now. Let me cut it and then put it in a widget. So I'll come into this, create a new folder called widgets. Okay, so that I can have this as a widget. So this file we tax card dot dot that sorry, and then I can paste this code here. I have to sorry, let me just, and then import, first import the package flutter material dot that, and then we are going to use just a stateless widget here, and then I want it to be task card. Okay, save it, and then I'll rather return that container that we copied from that side here, and I don't have any errors here, so save it. And for now we need I'll just close this. I need the title, final title, I'm sorry, string title. I don't know, I'm in a hurry in recording this video because where I am there's too much noise. Okay, so string, and then I also need to get a description. Okay, so in the description I will also, yeah, I think I need just the two. Sorry, I need just the two there. So now I want the task card constructor, and I want to accept this as title and then this as description, and everything works and no errors are here. So now when I go here, now I just want to have the task card here, and then I'll just put the title there. Okay, title, and it's just a string, so I'll say something, and then I'll also add the description to be, this is the description. Okay, about something, done something like that. And let's see, I think I'll hot reload the whole thing and see how it looks. And I'm still having the same design, which I don't understand because I've changed. Oh yeah, the reason why I'm seeing the same thing is because when we go into the task card, we accepted it here, but we didn't actually add it here. So I'll just go here and then add it. Title, yeah, and then save. You see something to be there. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And I also add the description. Yeah, and it will come. Yeah, so that's what I want. So I have this to do item there, and that is perfect. So now let's go back to the tax page. So now when we click on it, we want to go to this page, which is just this dummy code that we've written here. So I'll close this. We don't need it for now. Come here, and then now I can just wrap this with what gesture detector. So wrap this with a gesture detector. Yeah. Okay. And then inside I'll do the on tab. Okay. Tab, and then so. And the on top, I will just navigate navigator dot push. And I'm going to push to that page, and then I need a material page route. Okay. And then in the material page route, I also need a build contest. Okay, in the builder, I need a build contest. I don't know how I'm getting this whole error here, which doesn't make any sense. All right. Yep, I just up. Let me just close this thing. I don't know why. Material page route. Okay, material page route. Navigator dot push, and then oh, sorry, I don't need a semicolon here. I need to just push, and then material to page route. I need a builder. Oh, builder. Yep. And then I need a build contest. And then I need to go to the page, which is the tax page. Okay. And I still don't understand why I'm getting this error. Material page route. Push to position argument. Oh, this is serious. Oh, okay. Sorry, I need the contest here. There's supposed to be a contest, I think. Yeah. Okay. Oftentimes I do it this way. Normally I do it this way, so I was just confused about what is happening. Normally I do it this way. Okay, and then I do the push, and then I add the material page like this. So I think that was why I was finding it difficult to find where the error is. So normally when I do it this way, I don't add the contest inside here. So that was why I was getting this error. So anyway, I'll just take this one out. So you just need the contest here before you add it, and you're doing it this way. Okay. So you can do it the other way, and then you can do it this way too. Okay. So I have this. Now let's click on it and see if you can go to that page. I click on it, and then it takes us to this page. Okay. So now let's work on the page. Now we have this. We have the safe area. We have the column, and everything is okay for now. So I think with this column, what I want to do here is I want to add this text field, okay, here. But then I thought of it that using the text field will cause some problems because we are going to work with the PHP, and then we have to push every details that we get to the API, and then everything will work. So I think I will change this from text field to text form field, okay, and then um we'll come back to this, okay, just for now, let's save this. And then I also need an ABBA. So ABBA, oh, what's this? What's happening? So I need an ABBA. I need a title, which will be tax. Okay, let me just add tax, something like that. And let's see. So we have it there. We have the arrow button by default, and then we have this. We have that. Okay. So I think in the safe area we have this column. And in this column, I think I will just wrap this with a padding so that I can get some padding in there. So wrap with a widget called padding. And then inside here, I will have the padding. And then I'll go to edge insert dot r. And then I will add 16 because I want for top and bottom to be 16. Yeah. So now I have this widget here. Now I think I can add, yeah. So here in the test form field, I want us to decorate here. So that we do it input decoration. Okay, test input decoration, and then we want the border. We input border dot none. We don't actually want any border there. Okay, but we still can see the um the the cursor there, and then we also want hint text to be, let's say, hint text. Um, sorry, hint text, not, yeah. So with the hint text, I want it to be enter text tax title here. Okay, and then we have it like this. So I want to just change the design there. So hint style here, and then I think we can just, guys, sorry for the noise at the back there, so we can add a text style here. Okay, to just change the, so font weight, I want it to be font weight dot bold. So we are just designing the hint there, and then we want the size to be 26, font size to be 26. Okay, so we have this, and then I think that is okay for now. Um, so now I save it. I think it's okay. Guys, there's a lot of noise at this background, so I think I have to stop here, and then I'll continue the video in the other tutorial. Okay. Sorry guys. Thank you.